Hello, Fleur. I want to play a game. You don't know me, but I know you. Up until now, you've spent your life in Leende. This year, you've started studying medicine in Nijmegen. The first test, you cheated, and this will not be tolerated. For that, you die. This game will take place at your front door. Beware, don't lock it, or I'll pop it. Hello, Fleur. Let the games begin. It is almost time. Are you ready? And now you die! First your face was feeling when you hit down. Nope. Wait for it. Okay. Speel mee?
Zij is al dood.
Okay. Very nice.
Oké, maar nu ga ik echt naar
No.
Unie.
I need a little card.
En die elkaar. Oh ja. Nou, ik ben niet van wakker nu.
Yes, you are. You little thing.
Moet je allebei hebben?
Ja.
Nou, alsjeblieft. Dat is een leuke actie. Want als je had gedacht dat ik naar LSD was gekomen, dan was het niet gelukt.
Hello, Esme. I want to play a game.